Mark Gauld. I farm 650 sows here in the Great Southern, near the town of Mount Barker in Western Australia. I've used Manitou equipment for the last 20 years, and this is my latest one, the 732. Because I'm an outdoor free-range pig farmer, most of the work I do involves a lot of straw, so it's a lot of lifting and carrying. All the huts that we use on the farm, so I find it's a lot quicker, so a hell of a lot more cost effective to use something that is built to lift and move and quickly and more importantly very, very safely. This machine will do approximately 1,000 hours a year. I hate overcomplicated machines. This one's a very simple machine, but it's very comfortable to drive, it's very well equipped, it's got a very powerful hydraulic base, does everything. It's like my right hand.